Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to add recipient on WorldRemit. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. In order to add a recipient on WorldRemit, first of all, open a web browser of your choice and log into worldremit.com account. Once you're signed into your account from the main homepage, go ahead and click on My Account button at the top right corner. Now click on My Recipients and you will then need to go ahead and create a new recipient and add them. You can now go ahead and add a new recipient for your account. Click on the Add New Recipient option and enter the recipient details. Select the country of the recipient and enter the recipient details in the text boxes. You will need to enter the first name, last name, their address, phone number, and email address as well. You will also need to enter the recipient's bank details, their account number, the bank's code, or the account type from the list and click on Create Recipient. Soon after you do that, you will be able to create a new recipient. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.